everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to unblock the websites on your Chrome browser and you're looking out how to do so, these are the methods you can follow up and you should be able to do it. So open up Chrome for that. And once you access your Chrome website right here, you can go over and access your settings by clicking on the three dots and going to your settings. Once you go to your settings, what you need to do is go to the privacy and security section. And within your privacy and security, you can just go over and select the option of security, this one right here. Open it up. And what you need to do is under security, there you should be finding different options. So make sure the option of safe browsing, this one right here, is not blocking the website unnecessarily. So you can set it out to standard protection instead of the enhanced protection so that you will be able to access the site. And you can try opening up the website again. Or you can clear up the browser cache if that does not work, then another method. So for that, within here as well, within privacy and security, you can select this option of delete browsing data. And from here, you can select these options necessarily, which is cookies, another site data, and cache images and files, and select this option delete data and confirm it up. And then you can restart your Chrome once again. Apart from that, you can just go over and disable extensions within Chrome. So within Chrome, you can go over, click on plus, go over to the three dot, select the option of extensions right here, and go to manage extensions. And from here, if there is any kind of unnecessary extensions available, you need to remove it. Select this option of remove and confirm it up. And that should remove the extensions right here. You can just go over and reload the website that you're trying to access once again. And apart from that, what the thing maybe is if the website is blocked by your router or your network provider itself, Chrome fixes won't work for that.